Good morning children, welcome to my class. So let us continue lesson 10, simple present tense. We are doing this lesson, isn't it? So now you see, here you are talking about simple present tense, right? So the simple present tense is a verb tense with two main uses. Now the simple present tense is a verb tense with two main uses. You have to keep in mind what are the uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening, okay, right now, when an action is happening right now or which happens regularly. Okay, so when the action is happening right now and when it happens regularly, we use the simple present tense. You have to keep in mind this. First of all, today we are going to do exercise C. So before doing exercise C, you just in your mind only, you just go through the structure or the formula of simple present tense. Okay, what is the structure or the formula? What I taught you, that is subject plus base form, that is V1, plus S or ES plus rest of the sentence. So subject plus V1, that is the base form, plus S or ES with the base form plus rest of the sentence. Okay, so according to that we are going to do, and I taught you with first person what we will use, with second person what we will use, with third person what we will use. Okay, we will go through once. With every sentence I shall teach you. Okay, number one, let us write down. Number one, you see, Mansi. I will not write the option. Okay, I am not going to write the option. I will just explain. Playing the flute for the school choir. Playing the flute for the school choir. Choir, you understand? School group, those who sing. Okay. Mansi, the base form, the verb is given here, that is enjoy. So Mansi is third person. Okay, Mansi is third person. With third person what we use? With third person, along with the verb enjoy, we will add S. Mansi enjoys. Okay, see, subject plus base form plus rest of the sentence. Mansi enjoys playing the flute for the school choir. Number two, Sara and Tamal. Sara and Tamal dash lawn tennis. Dash lawn tennis twice a week. Twice a week. Please see the sentence, all of you, please see the sentence. Sara and Tamal dash lawn tennis twice a week. Sara and Tamal, the subject comprises of two persons. Here you see Sara and Tamal. This is the subject. Okay, the subject comprises of two persons, right? So with two persons, the base form, that is the verb, will be singular. Okay, so play, it will be play only. Play, subject plus base form plus rest of the sentence. Okay, with, if the subject is plural, the verb that we are going to use, we are not going to add S or ES. Keep in mind this. Okay, number three, every Sunday her family dash to the library for 2 hours. Dash to the library for 2 hours. Now children, this sentence you have to understand. Every Sunday, we are talking about every Sunday, which happens, you can say, regularly, which is actually a habit. Every Sunday they go, okay. So every Sunday, her family, here please see the subject you see. Every Sunday, her family. Here we are talking about her. Her is only one girl. Okay. Family is many, but her is one. Keep in mind this. Every Sunday, her family, the verb which is given here, that is go. So what will be the answer? It will be goes. Every Sunday, her family goes to the library for 2 hours. Okay? Alright? Okay? Number 3, please see once again. Every Sunday, her family goes to the library for 2 hours. Here, why we are using goes? Because here we are considering her family as a single unit. Okay? We are considering her family as a single unit. Now you say, how many members are there in your family? That means, whose family? Your family. We are talking about a singular person. Okay? If I am asking you, how many members are there in your family? Means, we are talking only, I am talking only about you, your family. So, we will consider it as singular. Okay? Every Sunday, our family goes to the library for 2 hours. Next one you see, Alam dash hard for every exam. Alam dash hard for every exam. Okay, now the verb given here is study. So, Alam will be what? Alam studies. S-T-U-D-I-E-S, studies. Okay, the plural form is studies. Alam studies, we will add with the verb I-E-S because it is ending with Y. Study is ending with Y. So, we are going to add I-E-S. Alam studies hard for every exam. Subject plus B1, that is the base form. Okay, we are adding here I-E-S. Okay, then plus rest of the sentence. Alam studies hard for every exam. Okay, children, please keep in mind what you have to do. Okay. So now you see 4 are remaining. We'll do today only. Okay. Now let us do number 5. Okay. Now you see here he tries to call his sister in the evenings. He dash to call his sister in the evenings. The verb which is given here, it is try. Okay, T-R-Y, try. Again, it is ending with Y, so we are going to add I-E-S. And he is third person singular. Keep in mind, the subject is third person singular. With that, we are going to add S or E-S. So the try spelling will be T-R-I-E-S. Y will change into I-E-S. He tries to call his sister in the evenings. Subject plus V1 plus rest of the sentence. Okay. Next one. What dash your sister do? Okay. Now please see this sentence. What dash your sister do? Now here we are talking about whom we are talking. Here we are talking in this sentence about sister. Okay. Now sister usually will keep it in the third person, right? So what does your sister do? Okay. What does your sister do? Okay. Please keep in mind this one. Number 7. He never dashed to take a book. Okay. He never never dash to take a book. He never, what is the verb given here is forget. Okay, he never forgets to take a book. He never forgets to take a book. Again same thing here my dear. He never forgets to take the book. Subject plus this is the verb. Along with the verb V1 we are adding is he never forgets to take the book plus rest of the sentence. Right? He never forgets to take a book. Number 8 you see Kailash dash beautiful stories. Kailash dash beautiful stories. So Kailash, the verb given here is write. Kailash writes. Writes. Okay, Kailash writes because Kailash is third person here. Along with the verb V1 we are going to add S with the base form plus rest of the sentence. Kailash writes beautiful stories. So children, you have to do this in your copies. Okay, please do it in your copies. Okay, thank you.